Welcome to the sauna room assembly, part 1. On the left, you'll see the sauna model. In the center, the wall number. And on the right, the order name. Let's begin. Install the base frame. Attach the base frame using screws. Open the adjustable legs and balance the frame. This improves air ventilation inside the sauna room. Use a leveler to ensure the frame is even. Now assemble the walls. Start from the back left corner. Insert cam lock bolts into the wall elements. Open the cam locks. Then close them to lock the walls together. Install the walls in the following order: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And finally, wall 1. Attach the top frame for the glass section. Now lift the ceiling and place it on top. Ensure the tongue fits correctly into the groove. Attach the interior moldings. Make sure the sticker codes match. Install the bench supports. Note, the same sticker code applies here as well. Secure the bench supports with screws. Now screw in the bench frame, then screw the bench side panels, and finally screw the backrest in place. Attach the leg support for the lower bench. Secure the lower bench to the wall using screws. Place the bench covers carefully. Next, place the glass wall. Secure it using solid moldings. Install the hinges onto the glass wall. Then install the hinges onto the glass door. Add the door handle. And lastly, screw in the outer moldings. Thank you for watching. If you found this sauna installation guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more expert tips. Sauna World, all you need for true sauna experience.